Bafowethu, let's talk about new signings. Kaizer Chiefs have announced them. Bababizile bafowethu, sibabonile babaphosta. We are here just to confirm new players, and we'll also talk about umfana uIme Okon. Siphinde sikhulume ngomjisa u-Fiston Mayele. So make sure ukuthi uyahlala ubukele ividiyo, hlala uzinze ulindele iy'ndaba ey'landelayo ey'mayelana ne-Kaizer Chiefs. Let's just jump straight into the video together. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. This is Amakhosi Stand Podcast. This is where uzithola khona zishisa. Bafethu, angifuni ukusebenzisa leli gama elithi ngishilo. No, but kwenzekile bafethu, it happened. Niyazi nani, I've been saying this for days, for weeks. Ukuthi new players are coming, and those new players, I've mentioned them. So guys, niyazi nani, I've been updating you kulama player lawa announce namhlanje. Nayizolo I made a video ngasho ukuthi namhlanje nge-1 July lindela ama-players from 1 July yale they'll make announcements i-Kaizer Chiefs. Namhlanje kube njalo-ke, so khuluma ngalama players and then sikhulume ngomjitha uIme Okon and Fiston Mayele. Siqale sikhulume ngomjitha uFiston Mayele ukuthi wenzakalani ngaye. Before ngikhuluma ngaye, please make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment down below. Ngiqhubeke nokungixhasa bafethu, ngiyabonga uxhaso lenu. So umfana wakaMayele uFiston is reportedly interested in signing for a club in Saudi Arabia. Kade ngangisho lento bafethu. If you can look back in one of my videos, mhlawumbe ngizoyithola ngiposte la i-thumbnail yakhona, ngizoyiposta la niyibone le video engikhuluma ngayo, la ngangikhuluma khona ngoFiston Mayele. Ukuthi uFiston Mayele lama rumors akho ukuthi uyeke i-Kaizer Chiefs ngoba efuna ukusayina i-Sundowns are not true, because uFiston Mayele isifiso sakhe ukuyodlalela izwe lase-Saudi Arabia, i-team yakhona. So bafethu, it's happening. uFiston Mayele is reportedly interested in joining one of the clubs lapha e-Saudi Arabia. So Fiston Mayele akeze South Africa, akeze kwi-Chiefs, akeze kwi-Mamelodi Sundowns, ningathungi. But okay, before ngikhuluma ngalo but also another player that I want us to talk about is Ime Okon. Ime Okon was linked to Kaizer Chiefs. Kwathiwa i-Kaizer Chiefs they will sign him, abanye bathi usayiniwe nwara. Ime Okon is never a Kaizer Chiefs player. Yes, of course, he was linked with Kaizer Chiefs, but njengamanje Ime Okon sikhuluma njengamanje ule eGerman kule club ekuthiwa iHannover 96 edlala kwiBundesliga 2. Uzosayina khona, kade enza ama-test namhlanje, ama-fitness test namhlanje. So Ime Okon gone, uye Netherlands. Fiston Mayele kungenzeka e-Saudi Arabia. So ama-rumors ukuthi i-Sundowns kanjani Chiefs, no. Fiston Mayele wakubeka wacaca ukuthi akafisi, akusona isifiso sakhe ukuzodlalela i-club yase-South Africa, because usemdala and he's chasing money. So he's heading to Saudi Arabia. Ime Okon, Netherlands. So bafethu, bengifuna ukucacisa lokho njengamanje asikhulume with our own business. Abafowethu aba-announce-iwe namhlanje, umfoka Flavio, umfoka Silva, umfoka Chislet, umfoka Shinga. What signings bafethu. I am very happy, especially this white guy Chislet. Ubukeke umdlali oyazi into yakhe. I'm happy that simtholile Flavio Silva, isilwane madoda. Asithembe ukuthi uzowenza umsebenzi and umjitha omncane uNkanyiso Shinga. Asithembe ukuthi uzowenza umsebenzi. They are announced i-Chiefs akakaqedi bafethu nakusasa lindelani more announcements because siyazi ukuthi they are still yet to make announcements for Paseka Mako and Thabiso Monyane and more players mhlawumbe abanye ngingazi ngabo maybe vele bhaye yabo. So just be ready guys, this week is our week because nge-8 July iyaqala i-pre-season. So ngoba kuyi-1 namhlanje 1 2 3 4 5 maybe on Friday or Saturday Chiefs will be traveling to Netherlands for pre-season, so they need to make all the announcements in this week. Next week they will be in Netherlands preparing for the pre-season. So stay put, stay on your social media, wait for the announcements, stay kule channel yami, subscribe, like all my videos, click the bell ukuze ube notified on every video that I'm dropping, updating you guys ukuthi kwenzakalani on the Kaizer Chiefs market. New players are coming bafethu. Okunye ngifuna ukugcizelela i-deal kaFaisal Salum asikakayeki ukumfuna, sisamfuna namanje uFaisal Salum. Ayikho lento ukuthi i-Chiefs isikhanselile, ayisekho interested kuFaisal Salum, noFaisal Salum akekho interested kwi-Chiefs. Umjisi uyafuna ukuzodlalela i-Chiefs, sekwi-decision ye-Kaizer Chiefs ukuthi yenza njani manje, ukuthi bayamlanda or abasamlandi. But I'm telling you ukuthi more news are coming. Tell me what do you feel, how do you feel about our new guys? Umjisa Chislet abamvezanga yena usuzogqoka unamba bani. Flavio Silva I think 77, Kanyiso Shinga 74, yeah I think. But what do you think about our new signings and how do you feel about them? Do you feel like they will deliver? Ubani omjaha ukumbona kakhulu enkundleni, ubani omthanda kakhulu? Comment down below and like the video guys. Please like the video, please join my channel just to support me to have ukuthola izinto ezintsha zokusebenza, insiza kusebenza, ama-lights, i-mic and everything. So guys, please support my channel. Ngizoqhubeka ngilethele i-content okuyiyona yona, iy'ndaba zeqiniso. Thank you for watching my video. See you on another one. Danko.